Y'all, I didn't use no foundation. Can y'all believe it? So sit back and I'm gonna show you guys how I achieved this look without any foundation, y'all. It's easy and simple. So let's get into it, y'all. Okay guys, so as you see in the title, this is a no foundation look, guys. I know a lot of you do not like heavy foundation. Some people don't like wearing foundation. They just do their lip gloss, their lipstick, throw on some lashes, and they out the door. So I'm going to show you guys step by step how to achieve a look without wearing foundation. Okay, so the first thing we need to do, y'all, we need to hydrate our skin. Okay, so I'm going to be using this Limus hydrating gel. I used this in my last video for the first time. It's like a nice cooling sensation, so I'm going to apply this on my face now. Okay, so I'm going to hydrate my skin before I put any products on my face. My face was already clean, and that's what we're going to be doing. Comment down below, let me know what type of hydration cream you use on your skin. Okay, so I just used my hydration cream and my skin feels so light. I just love this cream. Okay, next I'm going to apply a little bit of my moisturizer, guys. And you all know what it is. It's my e.l.f. Holy Hydration. I'm just going to add a little of that. So I have my hydration, moisturizer, cooling cream. I call it cooling cream because that Limus cream makes my skin feel nice and cool. And then I'm applying my e.l.f. moisturizer, Holy Hydration. Okay, next I'm going to apply my primer. Okay, so I just used my hydration cream and my skin feels so light. I just love this cream. Okay, next I'm going to apply a little bit of my moisturizer, guys. And you all know what it is. It's my e.l.f. Holy Hydration. I'm just going to add a little of that. So I have my hydration, moisturizer, cooling cream. I call it cooling cream because that Limus cream makes my skin feel nice and cool. And then I'm applying my e.l.f. moisturizer, Holy Hydration. Okay, next I'm going to apply.
She see money all around me. I look like I'm the man. Yeah, but I was counting up like last week. Tell me where have you been? Yeah, you're not a hiding girl. Don't act like I'm your man. You're just a fan. You don't hold right. Oh no no no. Oh no right. The opposite of fiction, that's facts. Always forgiven, I don't care about opinion, that's facts.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else knows what to do. That's why I'm spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give give all day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Leave no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me to love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, can't deny. I got a crush on you, that's true. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling. All day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views, living every day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think of it away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. Kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you.
Okay guys, so this is the final look of my no foundation look. How y'all think I did? Do y'all like this look? Comment and let me know if y'all love this look. Would y'all try this look? If y'all guys do try this no foundation look, can y'all tag me so I can see y'all looks, y'all? Okay, so comment and let me know if what other looks y'all want me to do. I will be so happy to try those looks, y'all. Let me know what products y'all want me to try. Y'all know I love trying out products. I will get the products. I will try out the products. Let me know if you enjoyed this video. If you were new to the channel and this is content that you enjoy, stick around, join the family, and subscribe, and I will be putting out more content like this. If you stay to the end of the video, I love you so much. I appreciate the love and support. Once again, thank you all for watching. Thank you all if you shared this video to a family, a friend, a loved one, a sister, a cousin, an uncle. I'm just kidding, y'all. But thank y'all so much for watching from the bottom of my heart. And I do be watching y'all videos. So when y'all come on my channel, y'all already know what's up. I'm going to watch y'all videos too. That's what it's about, supporting each other. So peace out. Love you. Bye. Stay blessed. I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.